Hey, what's up YouTube? CONBOLA sent me this fan here. They wanted me to do an unboxing video and then maybe just do some testing, try it out. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This fan features a 20,400 milliamp battery, and it says it can run for 36 hours on the lowest speed. Also is able to charge cell phones. It's got a 5-volt 2-amp quick charging port on it. Quiet, it's got adjustable head so you can move it around. And you're also able to actually hang it. So I'll go ahead and get it open and we'll do some testing here. It comes with a charging cable at USB-C. And you got the fan, get the box out of here. All right, on the back we got a full-size USB, so you can probably plug accessories in. Got a C as well. And fan. Turn it on accident here. We got looks like 4 different speeds. Got 25, 50, 75, and 100%. Nice easy button to operate it. Got a light which we'll try it here in just a minute. This actually can be rotated as well, so you can point it where where you need to be cool. Also, it comes with a built-in hook on it here, so you can actually just hang this from something. I guess if you're out camping, whatever, you'd be able to hang it and keep yourself cool and keep the bugs away. And now let's go ahead and see if we can actually move some air with it. Not sure if you can see the smoke or not on camera here. I just put it on 50%. Yeah, it is moving some air here. Nice little kind of cool breeze. I think I'm really going to like this in my work van. I'm in hot Florida here. It was 108 the other day. We've got it on 75%. It's really blowing nice now. See, maybe we can get a little better demonstration of the speed here. We can't really see the smoke. So lowest speed. There's 50%, 75. And 100. Yeah, it's definitely moving some air. Very cool. And I kind of want to try out the charging abilities here, so I went ahead and grabbed an iPhone charger. Leave the fan running here because if I've got to charge my phone if I'm outside, I definitely don't want to turn my cool breeze off to do it. I'm going to plug into the back here. And go ahead and we'll plug a phone in. Let's see if we can get a little charge going here. There we go, lit up, phone's charging. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to enjoy this here in my work van. It gets really hot out there. I'll probably be able to hang it from the ceiling, keep a nice breeze on myself while I'm in the back there working. And last thing we need to test out here, we've got this thing has a light here, so we'll go ahead and kill the lights and we'll try that out. All right, still got the fan going full speed, got my phone charged in my pocket, and we'll go ahead and try out the light. It's actually got 3 different brightnesses, so here's number 1. And here's number 2, and number 3. I'll cut it off here, and the light works pretty well here. Even with the fan going, it's not bad at all. You can definitely hang this and light up what you're doing. Don't know what else I really have to add to this thing. It seems like it does exactly what it's advertised to do. Get a light, a fan, able to charge stuff. And like I said, I'm looking forward to actually hanging this in my van here when I'm actually working outside in this Florida heat. And I don't know if you guys have any questions or comments. I'll put them in the comments. And if you want to check this out, links are in the description. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.